Alright, so what I did is I modified a Jeep Hurricane Power Wheels. Jeep Hurricane. And Vinny doesn't know about it yet. Vinny's my son. So first, I want to show you what I did as far as buttons. This right here is for the cop LED lights. These over here are for the LED lights on top, in the front, and the rear. Turn these on first. We got top, front, rear. Here comes the best part. Check that out. I think he'll be excited. Just a little bit. Not to mention, modified it. 18 volts. So you got a fast Jeep. Lights up. Yeah, he's having a blast with this.